Look at him.
They're both happy.
Oh, look, it's a water dog. Whoa!
Daddy says, oh, thank you. Thank you for bringing me to the water.
Look at her.
I know. She's so happy.
That's funny.
She's going out deeper.
You? Oh, 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 oh boy.
She's like, oh God, I'm happy.
Oh boy. Hi.
Come on, Sam.
Sam! Look at him, he's a rat.
Come on. He's so happy, he's so funny.
Look at him.
Sandy's so happy. She's like, I'm just going to stay in the cold water. I'm just going to stay here.
Look at Sam, he's a rat. Watch. Attack! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, Wolfhound, come here.
Did you snarf some water or did you snarf a bee? Oh.
Look at your dog. She thinks she's a hippopotamus. She's grazing. Whoa! Okay, now try to shake. Didn't shake that good. Here he goes.
Hi, was that nice? You liked it, don't you? You're like, oh, Mommy, you brought us to the water. Sam?
Sam!
Come on. Like, oh, God. I'm so refreshed. I'm so refreshed.
Hi. How you doing? Oh, look at the dragonfly.
That's two dragonflies, actually. Oh, look. She's rolling around in the duck poop. She's about to fall. In the water.
Oh, that sucks.
She doesn't look too unhappy about it.
Oh, here goes Butthead. Look at him, he's getting deeper and deeper. She tries to shake, but she doesn't shake at all. Okay, come on, Sam. Sam knows how to shake.
He's all cooled off. He says, oh, I love you guys.
No.
Oh, I love you guys.
Okay, he wants to go canoeing. You want to canoe?
No, I'm going to go back in the water. I'm very happy. Happiest in the water. Sandy, who landed on her head in the water. And they never looked at the same.